subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button for more videos.
Matt TV, Anon Kids, and Muscleman's 2011 Seconds Productions proudly presents Cristiano Ronaldo Junior sneezes on Cristiano Ronaldo's face / grounded.
Man, my stupid father keeps on grounding me and I can't believe I got grounded for causing a foul during a football match. I wish I could get revenge on my daddy, but how? I know, I'm going to sneeze on Cristiano Ronaldo's face. Ha 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 ha.
Man, this is a very peaceful day without Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., and I can't do anything about things to do. Hey, Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., what are you doing here? Get back to your room, you are still grounded.
Hey Cristiano Ronaldo, I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Achoo!
Hey, did you just sneeze on my face?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God, Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., how dare you sneeze on my face? Now I have to wash my face thanks to you, and also, you know the sneeze on someone is very disgusting to do that, and you have to cover your mouth. That's it, you are grounded 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 until FIFA World Cup 2026 comes out. Go to your room right now, and think about what you did.
Hey guys, what do you think about the new episode of Matt TV? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like the new video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.